Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer data from SQLite to PostgreSQL using Python, beginner guide step by step clearly. Start by ensuring you have both SQLite and PostgreSQL installed on your system. Begin by creating a new Python script. Import the necessary libraries at the top of your script. You will need SQLite 3 to connect to the SQLite database. You will also need SQLite 2 to connect to the PostgreSQL database. If you haven't installed SQLite 2, use pip to install it. Open your SQLite database connection using SQLite 3.connect. Specify the path to your SQLite database file in the connection string. Create a cursor object from the SQLite connection. Execute a query to select the data you want to transfer. Store the result of the query using fetch all. Now, create a new PostgreSQL database connection using SQLite 2.connect. Provide the necessary connection parameters, such as host, database, user, and pass. Create a cursor object for the PostgreSQL connection. Define a table structure in PostgreSQL that matches the SQLite table. You can use create table SQL statements to set this up. Iterate over the data retrieved from SQLite. For each row, create an insert statement for PostgreSQL. Use the execute method to run the insert statement. Make sure to handle data types properly during insertion. After all the data has been transferred, commit the PostgreSQL transaction. Close both the SQLite and PostgreSQL connections once the transfer is complete. Add error handling to manage any issues during the connection or data transfer process. Test your script thoroughly to ensure data integrity after the transfer. Use logging to track the process for future reference. Once everything works as expected, you have successfully transferred your data from SQLite to PostgreSQL using Python. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.